Of the forces that have held this bank back, are things getting better or worse?
It's headed in a new direction. Not necessarily better or worse, because they will have to execute. It is a story that they have to tell. They have a coherent story to tell now. You could argue that there was some flip-flopping over the last couple of years, but at least now it's clear. They say they have two important legs to the stool, the investment bank and the asset and wealth management unit. Now the key is to prove that they can deliver on both fronts to the expectations of investors and therefore drive the stock higher with higher multiples down the road.
What can we learn from the fact that Goldman Sachs beat on equity trading revenue at a time when we saw JP Morgan and Citigroup not?
It's interesting. Look, over the last few years, the crown for equity trading champion on Wall Street has been moving around between Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan. It was pre-pandemic, at least for a few years, unquestionably Morgan Stanley. Not so much post-pandemic. That comes down to some credit you have to give to Goldman traders who have gained serious market share across equities and FICC. Bank of America had a big jump in their equity trading business, but that was off a lower base. Goldman's jump from $2.6 billion to $2.9 billion in a quarter is pretty significant. If you can hit $3 billion a quarter in equities, that's a pretty sturdy business.